Hello everyone. Let's play a game. Guess different fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An angelfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A barracuda fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A clownfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A dolphin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A discus fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An emperor angelfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A fighter fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A flapper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A flagtail. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A guppy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A goldfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A hawkfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An Alicia fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A jewelfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A kissing gourami. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A lumpfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A moorish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A neon tetra. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An orange-spined fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An octopus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A puffer fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A queen fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A red snapper fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A seal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A starfish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A shark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A squirrel fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A trout. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. An unicorn fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A vimba fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A whale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A wahoo fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A X-ray fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A yellowtail fish. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A zebrafish. Subscribe.